We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Loyker X 6 earwax removal tool camera. This device is designed to provide a safe and effective way to clean ears, featuring a 1080p HD camera with a 360-degree wide-angle lens and 6 LED lights to illuminate the ear canal for clear, real-time video and images. The camera is stabilized by a 6-axis gyroscope to ensure smooth transmission and precise cleaning without damaging the ear canal. It comes with 3 arc-shaped ear picks, each covered with a soft silicone spoon to gently and effectively remove earwax without scratching. The tool is lightweight, portable, and compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android devices via an easy-to-use app. Users consistently praise the camera quality, noting the sharp 1080p resolution that allows them to see inside their ears in great detail. Many have expressed surprise at how much they can now observe, including earwax, hairs, and even blackheads, making the device useful beyond ear cleaning. The bright LED lights provide excellent illumination, making it easier to identify and remove debris safely. The device's IP67 waterproof lens makes cleaning the tool itself straightforward, either by rinsing with water or wiping with alcohol, without worrying about fogging or damage to the lens. The battery life is another strong point. Equipped with a 350 mAh battery and Type-C fast charging, the device can operate for around 90 minutes on a full charge and has a standby time of up to 30 days. This makes it convenient for regular use and travel. The device is praised for its ergonomic design, allowing one-handed operation, which is particularly helpful when trying to carefully maneuver inside the ear canal or other areas like the nose, throat, or even for tonsil stone removal. Many users have found the Loyker X6 to be a cost-effective alternative to professional ear cleaning, saving money and time by avoiding doctor visits. The tool's ability to connect to smartphones and tablets allows users to monitor the cleaning process live, reducing the risk of injury and increasing confidence during use. The app is reported to be user-friendly and reliable, enhancing the overall experience. Some users have shared unique uses beyond earwax removal, such as extracting tonsil stones and removing ingrown hairs, demonstrating the device's versatility. The camera's magnification and lighting make these tasks easier and more satisfying. The device has also been noted for its gentle ear picks, which are soft enough to avoid irritation or damage, making it suitable for sensitive users. Overall, the Loyker X 6 earwax removal tool camera is highly regarded for its combination of safety, effectiveness, and affordability. It is well made and offers excellent value for the price. Users with various needs, from routine ear cleaning to more specialized tasks like tonsil stone removal, have found it very helpful. The device's portability and ease of use make it a practical addition to personal care routines. In summary, the Loyker X6 stands out for its high-definition camera, bright LED lighting, stable image transmission, gentle and effective ear picks, waterproof design, and long battery life. It is simple to operate with one hand and compatible with multiple devices, making it accessible to a wide audience. Its affordability compared to professional services is a significant advantage. There are no notable drawbacks reported by users, which speaks to the product's quality and reliability. If you own this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This tool is a must-have for anyone looking for a safe, effective, and affordable way to maintain ear health and hygiene with the added benefit of real-time visual guidance.